our channel Wanderers Tales. Today is March 2nd. It's a Saturday. So we are heading for an event today. So today there is a Kannada Koota Association here in Denmark, the regional association. So today from the association, they've sponsored a food event. So there are a lot of people who are putting food stalls who we will be able to get to eat a lot of Indian delicacies, from Karnataka flavors to Maharashtrian flavors to every possible state who reside in Denmark. We have a little bit of flavors of theirs to kind of go and relish today. So the event is happening in a place called Herlev, which is kind of 1 hour from here, close to, because we have to change trains. So we are heading there. The event starts from about 11. It's already 12 p.m. now, but the event goes on till about 4 p.m. So we have started. We are going to go there, enjoy the event, see how the delicacies are. Let's see how much we can show you. It's in a closed. It's in a closed auditorium. Let's see what all we get to see there. So today the weather is around 6 degrees, but it's a rainy day. It's very misty, and we expect the whole day to have rain. But there is also a little bit of sunlight prediction we are seeing. But generally the weather is not very, very cold. It's manageable.
So people, we have now reached a station called Dubalsbro. From here we are taking another train and heading towards Herlev.
we had a good time today. The place was very crowded. The event was very crowded. We didn't expect so many people turning around for the event, but it was a heavily crowded event. By the time we reached the venue, there was already some stalls having the food almost finished. But yes, it was a wonderful event. We tasted some good delicacies, and then we left the place. We kind of hanged out with our friends for a couple hours, and now we are heading back home. We've also bought something for our dear Simba. And just as a bribery to see how we can apologize him for leaving him alone. But barring that, we had a good day out today. Let's see, stay with us. Let's see what all we will try to explore going forward in Copenhagen, around Denmark. But it was a good event today. Please follow our channel, subscribe to our channel if you haven't already done so. Let your family, friends know about us, and stay safe, stay healthy until we meet next. Bye bye.
Bye.